Hey, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 Convertible. It's got the 350 rocket with the automatic shifter, his and hers, factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. This is a true 442. It's finished in beautiful blue with the white stripes. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this beautiful 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 Convertible. Like I said, this car is absolutely gorgeous. Complete frame off restoration. Finished beautifully, like I said, with that blue with the white stripes. It has the correct Oldsmobile Magnum 500 wheels with the BF Goodrich radial TA tires. I mean, it does not get much nicer than this car right here. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interiors finished beautifully. Look at that wood grain right there. It's got the right steering wheel, the his and hers automatic shifter with the console. All really nice and clean. It's got the ashtrays for the kids in the back seat. That way they could smoke back in the day. Really looks good. Nice and clean. All the interiors in excellent condition. Doors look good. Really nice. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk's finished beautifully. It's got the spare tire and all the jack equipment. Really looks good. It's got a nice mat inside the trunk. Convertible top goes down in there. It's got the trunk stickers that really look good. Really nice and clean. So shut the trunk lid here. We're going to start it up. See how it sounds. It has a great sound to it. Cut it off here. Even the door buzzer works on this car. But all the interior, paint and body work, everything on the car is absolutely gorgeous. Retractable seat belts. It's got all the right gauges in the dash that really look good. Really nice and clean. The doors are just excellent on the car. Really nice and clean. Shut the door here. Take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by the 350 rocket, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. Really nice and clean underneath that hood. It doesn't get much nicer than that. It's got nice felt on the hood to really take the noise down if you'd like. So shut the hood here. We're going to take one more quick look at the 1972 Oldsmobile 442 Convertible with factory air conditioning. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. Stay tuned to the end. We have an underneath video of the car. We'll show you all of the underneath, and we're going to take it on a test drive right now, and here's that test drive video. All right, we're going to take this 1972 Oldsmobile 442 Convertible for a test drive and see how it does. We're going to go for a ride. Horn works. We're going to go for a ride and see how it does. Doesn't get much better of a driver than an Oldsmobile. They probably made the best driving cars back in the day. A luxury man's car. But we're going to take this one for a drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars like this one right here. We're going to take this one for a drive and see how it does. Right, here we go. absolutely perfect driving car. No rattles or shakes, doesn't pull to the left or the right any. Just an excellent running driving car. Gonna turn around and head back here. Like I said, the car runs and drives phenomenally. Doesn't rattle or shake any. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running driving car. We're going to turn around and head back. And like we do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. And we'll see what this car's made of. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's got the trumpet exhaust on it. It really sounds good, shifts good, just excellent. It's got the his and hers shifter right there. Really does good.
Yeah, air conditioning makes all the difference.
Yep, factory air, works great. Well, we are almost back here. And like we say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions about this car, give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video.